This is Angus from Get Packed, looking at our treadle staplers today. We've got our manual foot operated stapler here, and we've also got a pneumatic option for customers with higher volume. These are really popular in the fruit packing industry. They can't get a carton sealer out on site and their products are quite heavy. We're going to assemble the bottom of our box like so, load it onto the machine. Like that. And using our air-powered stapler. Process is very similar, but I don't really have to use much pressure with my foot. Send us an email or give us a phone call at the website below. This has been Angus from Get Packed, looking at our treadle staplers today.